Now, in the intro, I mentioned enrolling in various regions. Can you tell us why regions would be a concern?
Yeah, so Medicare, which is CMS, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, they reach out to contractors in every single region. So depending on the region that you're in, you'll have to reach out to the MAC in your particular area to understand not only the enrollment process, but even the billing process. So it's all regional. So we have to understand that it goes through each MAC differently.
Okay. Now, I know we mentioned just now the Medicare, they're set up regionally, but is there more than one source for enrollment, or is there only one source for enrollment for all of those regions?
So your source for electronic enrollment and submitting those applications will always be PECOS. That PECOS portal is the way to go. If there may be 1% of you out there that is still doing paper, I hope not. I hope we've all convinced you to still do the portal. It's much quicker. You get a lot of responses. Much turnaround time is way quicker. So yes, the one source that we always talk about is that PECOS application.
Great. Yeah, please get rid of paper. Don't do paper.